Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to increase border width in image in Google Sheets document. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show increase border width of image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for drawing option. Then click for a image. Now click for browse option. Now select from image. Now open. Now for click. Then you can see insert from image. Now research your image. Now and the border width. Now going to the border width option. Now click for 8px. Then again border width option. Then click for 3px. Now click for 7 close. That is. Then I show in case border width of image in Google Sheets. Then again border width. Now click for edit option. That is. Then I show in case border width of image in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for